Hello, my dear friends. So, in this video, we're going to see vacancies from Enzene Biosciences Limited. So, they are currently hiring for experienced candidates. So, this is a walk-in drive on 6th and 7th May. So, here you can see multiple positions open in quality control from senior executives to deputy managers. So, coming to the competencies required, master's degree in life sciences and allied subjects. The first position, quality control bioassay. You must have hands-on experience of executing various cell-based assays, cell line maintenance. The next position is quality control analytical, hands-on experience of HPLC, SCHPLC, ELISA, and capillary electrophoresis, understanding of QMS, stability testing, and LIMS and Power software. Next is QC microbiology, QC raw material, PK, immunogenicity, pharmacokinetics, and immunogenicity method development, hands-on experience of ELISA, MSD, and bioassay techniques, and quality control compliance. So these are the details regarding the walk-in interview. So if you are interested, you can check their website also. So this is a walk-in drive. Please utilize the opportunity if you are interested. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. So if there are any available links, we will leave in the description of this video. From there you can check. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share this information with your friends, those who are want to shift to a new company. Thank you.